give those answers in real time. So in this particular case, it was the Krug 79 in your wine cellar. No, we do not have the Krug 79, and knew that it did not. Offer some other choices. We can even go into more detail here. Like if somebody says, okay, do you have the Dodgers hat in stock? Then you can say, no, we don't, because it has real life interaction with your inventory. No, we don't, but it's going to be in on the 12th of next month. Or you can even give it an option. Well, we don't have the Dodgers hat. How about the San Francisco Giants hat? Now, that will never happen in real life because they're big rivals, but you understand what I'm saying. Okay, so those are the emails here. I wanted to quickly go back over to our website and show you that. Please do try the demo again. Now, we all know it's getting harder to find people for to hire people, then you have to train them, and then you have to pay them, and then you have HR issues. Or if you're a small company and you're answering your emails yourself or your text messages yourself, you've got a lot of things going on. I know we're a small business as well, so you've got very, very busy. This is a great tool at very reasonable prices to help relieve that sort of issues that you're having. If you're a small business, I know you're having these issues. The reason that we started this business is because we were having these same issues. So go ahead, please go to our live demo, go to our website, look at our pricing, send me an email. I'd love to answer your questions, or schedule a meeting time with me. We would love to do that too. Thank you very much.